So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about top 2 stocks that we can buy right now, especially for short term, and even we can carry forward them to long term as well. So first we'll discuss the basic details of the stock, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the best possible levels. So technicals are very important. So do watch the video till the end. And if you're enjoying the videos that we are posting on weekly basis, especially related to penny and short-term stocks, so do like the video so that in the next videos we'll discuss again next set of penny stocks and all the technicals also will be covered. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be Borosil Renewables. So this particular stock previously also have discussed, and at that point of time it was trading somewhere around 450 in that region. But current price, you can see almost it is going to touch the 600 rupees level. So I believe strongly in the fundamentals of the company, so that's why I've recommended it. So you can also do your own analysis, but coming to the business point of this particular stock, I can see it is a sole producer of the solar glass. So basically it is engaged in the manufacturing of solar glass, which are basically used in photovoltaic panels. So very good presence is there in the renewable sector. So that is one of the reason, and second reason is the sole player in India. So both for short term and long term, so stock is looking a little attractive. So let's get into further details about the company. So if you see, market cap is around 7,689 crores. So very good market cap is also there. Current price is around 590, and high and low, you can say 52-week high is around 620, low is around 127, stock P is around 50.9, and book value is somewhere around 53, and return on capital employed is around 28.9%, followed by return on equity is somewhere 19%. So very good strong fundamentals are there for the company. So financials also will improve, because still, as I told, renewable sector needs to get that recognition. So that will come once the years proceed. So in the future, definitely these type of stocks will definitely give multi-bagger returns. And company is almost debt free. So if you see the pros and cons, you can clearly see that company is debt free, and also it has reduced the debt. So we can say it is debt free, and we can see it is expected to give very good quarter result and has delivered a very good growth as well of CAGR in the last 5 years. And coming to cons, these are little we can say negligible cons only, because that is something related to promoter holding, so that is slightly decreased. And after that we have a little bit of low return on equity. So business model is very good, financials need to improve, but as I told, once that recognition comes in the future, so definitely it will give some very good returns. Okay, so if we have a peer comparison in the market, like what are the different companies listed, and if we try to compare the ROCE, so as I told, it is a sole company which is having a very good return on capital employed, especially in the glass manufacturing segment, and you can see that is very good. 28.90 is a very good percentage. Okay, so next, moving further towards the September result that the company has posted. So revenue has increased around 40.7%, net income has also increased around 142.65%, and net profit margin was also somewhere increased around 72.48%. So everything is looking very good. So still, if it improves in the future, you may expect the stock also to go further in the upside direction. So these are year on year basis. Quarter on quarter basis, still the company needs little bit of improvement. Okay, so if we try to discuss about the technicals of Borosil Renewables, so we can see a very good resistance is present roughly near the 600 rupees level. So if it crosses that 600 in the upside direction, so first target would be 650, second target would be 700. Okay, so only when it crosses that resistive zone of 600 rupees, you can expect a very good targets in the upside direction. And if it corrects, let's say if market comes down in the coming sessions, so if you get an opportunity, better to search for 550. That would be one good opportunity. So there you can add in small portions. Okay, so these are near term levels, and if you're interested, you can go for it. Let's go to the second stock. Okay, so the second stock that we're going to discuss today is a large cap company. So its name is Maruti Suzuki. So this is also a very good stock present at the current levels. So market cap is more than 2 lakh crores. Current price is somewhere around 7,209. So don't worry about the stock price. So many feel that stock price is little high, so the stock may not go further in the upside direction. So that is actually a wrong thinking. So percentage wise, if you compare any stock, whether it's a 20 rupees stock, 100 rupees stock, or it may be 7,000 rupees stock, so whatever increment it gives in percentage wise, so everything would be same. So don't worry that stock price is little high. Only see that whether I'm getting a good profit if I'm investing it for short term or long term. So that is our main motto. Secondary thing is price. Okay, so if we see high, it's somewhere around 8,400. Low only 6,301. Stock P is around 51.8. Book value somewhere around 1,700. So return on capital employed followed by return on equity somewhere around 5.20% followed by 4.40. So slightly less since it is already a large cap company. Okay, so company is almost debt free if you see the cons, and expected to give some very good quarter result, and it is maintaining a healthy dividend payout as well. So if you're investing for long term also, so you'll get that very good benefit. Second thing is cons, only thing is sales and financials need to improve slightly. So if that also goes well, then definitely the stock, whatever we are going to discuss on technical level, so those targets also can be seen. So but for short term, the technicals are looking very attractive. And let's even see the financials. So financials quarter on quarter basis, we can see good growth is there, and as compared to previous year 2021, last quarter March, slightly decrement was there in June, and again in September slight increment was also observed. So obviously auto sales is something which keeps fluctuating, they're little volatile. So that is the reason why we are seeing numbers also are going in ups and down way. Okay, these are financials. So now let's go to the technical charts. We'll see what is the best level where we can watch out. Okay, so first I wanted to discuss about this particular stock in 1 month chart time frame. So when you see the 1 month chart, so I can see a very good pattern of inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so inverted head and shoulder pattern is obviously considered a bullish pattern, and that too in monthly chart time frame signifies that if it breaks that neckline, so neckline is somewhere around 8,000. So if it breaks that neckline, so first target would be somewhere around 9,000 and 10,000. So if breaks that also, you can expect further momentum in the upside direction. So inverted head and shoulder pattern is always a bullish pattern, and that too in monthly chart will signify that if it gives that breakout in coming days and coming weeks, you can expect that upside potential. Okay, so very good return is expected in the upside direction, so do keep it in watch list. So we'll also discuss once in weekly chart. Okay, so in weekly chart also the stock was following a very good price action. So it was facing a support, it was taking a resistance, so it was traveling in that particular lane. So once it breaks that 8,000 rupees level, so you can expect, as I told, 9,000 and 10,000 in the near term. So do keep these stocks in watch list. So if you're trying to buy, go for buying and observe all the levels, and any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary yt. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.